Hi guys and welcome back. Today I don't know, we're gonna make brownies. Last time I made brownies they were absolutely terrible. They were liquid, unedible, we had to throw them away. But I'm gonna try and make them this time and do it right, because last time we didn't have cocoa powder and that's why they were so liquidy, but we do now, so hopefully that'll work out better. I've already measured out the sugar because I didn't know if we've had enough, and I've literally, all the sugar is gone out of the jar. Like I have the perfect amount of sugar left over. So first of all, I meant to add butter. Also don't know if I've got enough butter, but we'll figure it out. And yeah, I'm just gonna make brownies. But that's how much butter we've got. I need 140 grams, I've got the recipe there. So I'm just hoping that it's enough. But also this is my dad's butter, so I can't use it all. It's also actually, it's been in the fridge so it's quite hard. Oh Jesus, it's very hard right now. Oh dear. Yeah, no, this is not happening. We don't have enough. Which means I'm gonna use margarine and hope it works. I know you can't see what I'm doing, but I don't know where to position the camera in a way that you can see what I'm doing. It's proving quite difficult really. Maybe if I put you like there, then you've got a wide range of what's occurring. See a bit better then, can't you? Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that, that's easier. You see my whole entire house. But you can't actually see the butter, but I've got the butter here. I'm scraping it, trying to get the last bit, because I need to save some because it's not mine, it's dad's. However, Mummy's going shopping later, so we'll add it to the shopping list. Add it to the shopping list, and she can just get more. That's 50, we've got 50 grams. I need another 90. So I'm just gonna use margarine because, I don't know what else you're expecting. I don't know what else to do. This is actually a bit gross though. There's quite a few crumbs in the margarine at the minute. I'm gonna blame Jack for that because I don't ever have like bread or toast or anything. I don't really like bread. Call me crazy, I know. Right, that's 139. No, it's not. 138. It'll do. It's enough. It'll do. So we'll just leave it at that. My hands have now got butter all over them as well. That's great. Get you going like that. I have washed my hands as well. I did that, but you didn't see it. I promised I washed and clean. And then it is 85 grams of cocoa powder. 20, 30, 70. Don't want too much.
A few moments later.
Oh dear, 100. I only need 85. Oh, 85! That was quite perfect. I mean, it wasn't really, but it was. I've got it all over the work, so I can't ever. Oh, well, that's an issue, isn't it? Should I put some songs on? What do you want to listen to? Personally, I would like to listen to Alexa, play See You Again.
See You Again and similar songs on Amazon Music.
I've had this song stuck in my head like literally all day because I was looking on the Co-op website and I saw that it was playing there like in July or whenever, so I've just had this stuck in my head. But I still need that. And then we need to mix this shit. So we're gonna mix it. 20, 20, 20, 20 vision. Oh dear, that's got powder everywhere. my mind. You see how much power it is? I've not checked how many eggs we've got. Oh no, there's one, I can feel it, there's only one. I need two. What's a substitute for eggs? Oh, for God's sake! Why would I not check that? Alexa, what's a substitution for eggs?
You can substitute one egg with a vegan, dairy-free alternative of 1/3 cup applesauce, or with 1/4 cup cholesterol-free egg substitute. You can also substitute one egg with 1 egg white and 2 teaspoons oil.
Where the fuck do you think I'm getting that from? Alexa, can milk be a substitute for eggs?
You can substitute 1 egg with 2 tablespoons of and 0.5 teaspoons of baking powder.
Wait, what? I've got that. I've got baking powder. Alexa, how much baking powder is needed to substitute an egg?
From colostate.edu. Combine ½ teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon vinegar and 1 tablespoon water to replace 1 egg.
Tablespoon vinegar and water. Vinegar? That doesn't sound right. Also, what type of vinegar? Alexa, what substitutes an egg? Oh, Alexa, what substitutes an egg in making brownies?
From reference.com, tofu, bananas, applesauce or a commercial egg replacer can be used in place of an egg in a recipe for brownies.
Alexa, can I use milk as a substitute for egg in brownies?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, the best egg substitutes for brownies are yogurt, condensed milk, silken tofu, applesauce, ground flax seeds.
Should I just use milk? I'm not gonna lie, because the butter is like not melted, it's not gonna get much mixed than what it is right now. Why the fuck would I not check the egg situation? It's got a feather on it. No, it's not. I shouldn't. What do I do? Also, I want a different song. Alexa, play Hotel California. What do I don't know what to do. I don't want to ruin these brownies again, and I feel like they are now because I don't have an egg. A singular egg is going to mess up this whole thing. Let's just do a teaspoon of baking powder. On the dark desert highway, cool wind in my hair. And we'll do a teaspoon of olive oil. And then a teaspoon of water, actually. Yeah. Had to stop for the night. Stood in the doorway. looks okay to be fair. It's very like stiff though. Very nice, but they just can't. Okay. That is very chocolatey. But you do good. I'm gonna put in, I don't have chocolate, look at my fucking hand. I don't have chocolate chips like anywhere. So I'm just gonna put in some of my Easter eggs because I've been taking like ages to eat them anyway. Oh my. I love cake batters and like brownie batters and stuff more than the actual cake or brownie. Like, I just think it tastes so much better. Now all we've got to do, oh I need to put the oven on. Mix. I have a feeling that chocolate's just melted into the mixture. Because I can't see it. We're just eating the contents of 2 brownies. I'm gonna put them in this tray. Is that big enough? I actually don't know. But we'll just hope it is. Whether you and me. I'm very sorry about my singing too. Alright, let's do it that way. Get it, get it. And then I'm gonna like pin it down with butter. Oh, I need fucking scissors. I need the scissors. Does anyone else go through like phases though where they'll have like songs that like types of music they'll love, and then the next week it'll be like something different? Because I have that so much. Techno is like my favourite, the thing I'll go to play like all the time. But every so often I'll go into the phase of like this kind of music, which I do like. I've never disliked it. Like I like quite a lot of music, but it just won't be like my go-to for a while until it like is in a way. I'm gonna do this actually, and then just kind of put it on like that. Oh dear. That's not very great. Alexa, play Rock Into the Rhythm. This is like
Rock Into the Rhythm by Restricted
one
from
of my
Spotify.
favourite songs kind of at the minute. I played this in the car the other day too, they weren't very impressed. But I like it. I've got butter over my fucking hands. Right, and then put this in it. Oh, just go normal, mate. What are you doing? Okay. Cool. There, that's right. Perfectly aligned. My hands feel very like greasy right now too. I'm gonna have to put this in with this though, because it's too solid. Is it even gonna be enough? I hope so. Right. This is like shaky boy. Right. Spread it evenly. I'm ready for mum to walk in and be like, what the fuck are you doing? Because it's like really messy on my worktop. I don't think you can see it on the camera. This is my favourite bit. I'm gonna put these in because I can't be bothered waiting. I'm basically just gonna clean up this absolute mess and all the pots now while I wait for it to cook. I'm actually gonna end this video here. I'm in my room now, obviously. But the brownies are in the oven, but they're taking way longer to cook than they should have, so I'm not hopeful. They've been in there for about 30 minutes now, but they're still just liquidy in the middle. I was going to end it when they were finished and I could show you, but they're taking absolutely ages and I've got other things to do, so I'm going to just end this video here. And I'll put in a picture of the brownies when they're done, if they made it, hopefully. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.